Matthew 19, verse 26. But Jesus beheld them, and said unto them, With men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. That's a message of the Lord for you today. That God wants you to live peacefully, and God doesn't want you to live in a worship mode. God doesn't want you to have a bad attitude, but God wants you to live joyfully, to live normally, not to live in foolishness. And that nothing is impossible with God. God will help you in everything. God is your hope, and God will not make you to be tamed by Him. God wants that you will be led by Him. God doesn't want to be tamed by men. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.